Good morning, students. Today we will understand the topic pronouns. Pronouns are the parts of a speech, and pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So, what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So, why these words are used? Why the pronouns are used? Let us see what is the advantage, what is the benefit of using pronouns. Here is an example. Richa is my friend. Richa goes to school every day. Richa is a jolly girl. Here we have three sentences. In these three sentences, word Richa is a noun, and this word Richa is describing a person, means it is describing a girl. So here in every sentence we are repeating the word Richa. So if we want to exclude this repetition, if we want to avoid this repetition, we will use she in place of Richa. Like if I say Richa is my friend, she goes to school every day, she is a jolly girl, then the sentence will be better than before. We all know where the words pronouns are used. In our previous classes, we have learnt about this. So, words I, you, he, she, it, they are pronouns that are used in naming parts of sentence. So, these words are personal pronouns. These pronouns are used in the naming parts. Students, we know what is the use of he. He is used when we want to describe a boy. She we use when we describe a girl. It we use when we describe a thing or an animal. They we use when we want to describe third person, and that is also more than one. So now let us know about subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Now let us see object pronouns. Object pronouns, in case of I, it will become me. You is always a subject pronoun and also an object pronoun also. He will become him in object pronoun. She will become her in object pronoun. It will remain it. We will become us. They will become then. So now let us know about singular pronouns and plural pronouns. I, he, she, it, me, him, her, you. These are singular pronouns, and we, they, us, them, you are plural pronouns. Remember that you is used in singular pronoun also, and you is used as a plural pronoun also. So students, I hope you understand what is pronoun. So let us revise. Pronoun are the words that are used in place of a noun. We have classified pronoun as a subject pronoun and object pronoun, and then we have also learnt about what are singular pronouns and what are plural pronouns.